Good morning. We are going to do a little math practice, a little algebra and percentage practice using these trophic levels that we've talked about. Now, it's important to remember that we said about 10% of the energy is going to go from one level to the next level. But that's an average. It could be a little less energy, it could be a little more energy, but just on average, we use that 10% number. Well, we're gonna do some calculations where the percentages are different than 10. A little bit more, a little bit less, okay? I have my 16 problems here, and the percentage that you see, this is going to be the percentage of energy passed to the next trophic level, next level. And remember, these trophic levels are each time something gets eaten. That's a trophic level going up to apex predators. So that's what this percentage is. The other two numbers here are representing the energy that is being transferred. And we're gonna use units for energy as kilocalories. So think about it as calories. When we talk about calories in our food, we're talking about a unit of energy. So in this particular case, when we're talking about energy passed on to a next trophic level, we're talking about kilocalories. So these two numbers on either side of the percentage will be the kilocalories. So let's do a few of these. I'm gonna do number 2 here. And for number 2, we've got 28 times 17%. Now the 17%, you can't put 17% into your calculator. Oh, actually, maybe you can. But if you're trying to do this in a different way that doesn't have that percent sign, you have to move the decimal over twice. So this number actually becomes 0.17. Okay, 17% becomes 0.17. And then we just do our calculation. 28 times 0.17 equals 4.76. Let's do some more. So I'm gonna do number 4, okay? And number 4, in this case, I have the percentage, but I don't have the starting amount of energy. So X equals 10%. Now remember, 10%, we're gonna change that to 0.10 equals 32. To isolate X, I divide both sides by 0.1. Those will cancel out. X equals 32 divided by 0.1 equals 320. Oh, and we want to remember, I got to go back here. We have to put our units, kcal, kilocalories, because these two numbers that we were working with were energy. Now let's look at 7. In 7, you'll notice that the percentage is the thing that's missing. So I have to figure out the percentage and put my final number in percent. So I have 15 times X equals 1.8. I want to get X by itself, so I'll divide both sides by 15. Those will cross out, 15 here. X equals 1.8 divided by 15. That equals 0.12. But remember, I want to make that a percentage. And so I'm going to move my decimal over twice the other way, and that's 12%. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks.